Good day to my friends. My name is Vanessa Hong. I work in Shenzhen HTL Technology. We are an CAD-CAM solution provider since 2012. We are in this business. It was only last year we exported our products and machines abroad. With 12 months business expanding, we achieved zero complaint, but 100% satisfactory about our quality and service. And today I want to present you our digital light processing DLP printer L190 with the formation size 192mm multiply 102mm multiply 200mm height. For the this is the formation size, so it's considered rather big for the laboratory usage. So you can consider also as like industry grade printer that helps you to achieve quick turnover. It is especially for the laboratory use because L190 has high precision, especially for the XY axis. It has 50 micrometer for the precision, so it's really fine quality for the working models. And with the DM400 resin material with good quality service, so I highly recommend L190 for your laboratory usage, especially if you pursue high quality, good service models.